Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. Is everybody ready for Trump to come out? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We're going to stream Trump as he has the speech, and we'll see how these markets react. Hey, sorry when I cut the stream off this afternoon. I didn't realize my microphone was muted. I did say bye. I know it was a little bit abrupt, but I put on an ES trade, and then I had to delay data, called up Ninja, and they're giving me a bunch of, oh man, it was a hot mess. Hot mess. We're having some choice words. I didn't know if I was cursing on the stream or not, so I just shut it off. So sorry guys, I gotta go, and I didn't unmute the mic. Oh man, that was a hot mess. Hey, all of my top accounts were affected this morning also, so I'm still waiting to see if I'm gonna get an account adjustment from the prop accounts. I was in trades when the outage happened, so I'm still waiting to see on that. My live account was all jacked up. So it was a hot mess. I told the guy, the guy's like, well, hey, I can close your trade. I was like, I don't even know where the market's at. He goes, well, do you want me to close it? I said, hey, this is bullshit. He goes, what is bullshit? He said it right back to me too. He goes, what is bullshit? I was like, I got all this money in my account and you can't tell, I can't even trade. You want me to make a trading decision when I can't even see the freaking charts? Oh man, it was hot. So I had to calm down just a little bit. Oh, so we'll see if was anybody in here affected by the outage this morning? And if so, have your account balances been fixed? I have support tickets out there. I'm still waiting to hear back. Just wondering if any of you guys' balances have been fixed. Have they been fixed? I think I have it all set up for Trump as soon as he comes out. I got on the other window, which I'll bring it over. Hey, Emerald Green, good evening. So, and my Tradeify accounts would have been passed had I been able to close them out. That was great. That was great. So it was all the prop accounts too. All the prop accounts. Except for, I don't think Apex had an issue. I don't think my Apex accounts had any issues. Waiting for that to come over with milk. So if you guys have been affected by the outage, please let me know. Let me know if it's been fixed yet. Be very interesting to see. We are going to be giving away an account tonight. So if you guys want a chance to win, make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. It is in the description box down below. And I don't know if we're going to pick a random winner out of the chat or if we're going to do a duck race. Maybe we'll do a poll on that as we get more people in here. We're going to give away a pretty account. So probably going to trade one of those accounts today as well. I'm not trading any of the prop accounts right now because of the outage. I don't know how that's going to work out. So, and let's see real quick. Let me get the whole window over here. Dang it. There we go. Yeah, good looking. I'll hit that like button. Hey, so if you look over here at, actually look at Perdia real quick. I'll show you. This, I have one of these accounts right here. I've been trading it for a couple days now. But look at this. It is expensive. But look at the drawdown, $3,000. And all you have to make is $3,000. So it's a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. But I have been warned. I'm going to save that for a video on Saturday. So you're going to want to watch our video on Friday. You're going to make sure you want to watch that. But I'm going to give away the 50K EOD accounts tonight. Or in account tonight. So if you guys want a chance to win, make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. If your email is not confirmed, and make sure you confirm it. Check your spam folder after you sign up. So, see if we can do a little giveaway this evening. We'll do it sometime after the Trump speech. I'm going to try to trade, hopefully, fingers crossed, while Trump is speaking. Maybe that's good. Maybe it's bad. Oh, boy. We will see. We will find out. So what do you guys think? Up or down? Is Trump going to break the markets down, or are we going to bust it up? What do you guys think? What's it going to be? Yeah. Things will bust it up. Yeah, I kind of do too. Want me to do a poll on it? All right, here, we'll do a poll. We'll do a poll. Let me get the poll set up. I think you're right. Let's do a poll. And it could be some good trades on crude oil if he ends up pumping the markets. We got to be on the lookout for that, because if the markets do come tumbling down, we can we're back here. Let's do this. Trading view. I think I accidentally closed out that window. I'm gonna move these windows all over. Let's see. If we look at crude oil real quick, crude oil looks like it wants to kind of go down here a little bit. 4-hour chart has that little roll effect to it. Hey, what's up, Bob? Yeah, spiked down hard, ran right back up. Hey, what's up, Brian? So, not too bad. So, if Trump comes out there and if the markets rocket up, be on the lookout, because crude oil is probably going to come down. I wouldn't mind seeing crude oil. I don't think it's going to go that low yet, but if you look at the swing point over here, that's a very logical target. Maybe not in one day. I mean, it could. But I'd be down around 84 or so. So we shall see. They push it down, they push the market back up. Push it down, push it back up. Up and down, up and down. Let's go see a dollar index real quick. Not a whole lot going on there. What about gold? Maybe this window down. So and gold's near session highs. Said you heard that my stream again. Hey Brian, what do you mean by that? More of a pump from Trump than bad news? All right, let's see. They're trying to juice it right now. Pumping it back up right now. Oh, Bob streaming again? Yeah, that's what he said. I came out in London and couldn't find him. He said next Wednesday. Next Wednesday is going to be his debut. So we'll see. I do want to watch this ES real quick. Are we going to go back below these imbalances right here? If we do, we have some imbalances right below that. Oh, hey, I can't turn it on right now because I got the stream's going to play when Trump speaks. And it has music playing in the background. I'll get a copyright strike. So I don't want to be caught in a mess with that. Otherwise, I would have the sound on. I can turn it on after Trump's done speaking. I got everything set up, so I just got to click a button and we'll be able to hear him when he comes on. Listen and see what he has to say. See if we can get some movements. So far tonight, we've had a 15-point range on the ES and a 51-point range on the NASDAQ. That's kind of light. Yeah, we're just Just chopping around, chopping around. Keep in mind, though, we do have some minus development areas. So if he does dump the markets, these minus development areas would be logical targets. I'll go ahead and shade this out over here on the NASDAQ. That'll be somewhere 695-ish to 583. And on the ES, we already have it shaded out. That'll be 65.14 to 65.96. So we shall see. Yeah, we keep pushing away from the VWAP, going down by the second band, then lifting right back up. So if you look at the ES, push down, whoop, right back up. Push down to the bands, boom, right back up. Push down again, right back up. So that trade should continue to work until it doesn't. So we'll see. Maybe. We've had a pretty good rip off these lows. Look at the range. 1,386 points already this week. Straight up, straight from the lows. Whoop, no pullbacks. So we're probably due for a pullback in the near future. Will it be tonight? I don't know. Do we go up first? Still waiting. Yeah, I'm going to be streaming the news. I'm going to pipe Trump into the stream. We'll see what he has to say. And more importantly, how does the market react to whatever he says? See if we can figure out the keywords that the market's focused on. I need to charge my phone. But again, right back to the VWAP on the NASDAQ and the S&P. So we keep pushing away. Boop. A lot of good opportunities playing the regression back to the VWAP so far tonight. Lots and lots and lots. Look, going right back down. Let's see if we can go down and break the lows before Trump comes out. Again, he's supposed to come out at 9. We'll see if he's on time since it is going to be nationally broadcasted. Maybe he'll be on time. Maybe. We shall see. Retest 23,600. Well, I mean, that does kind of fall within our minus development zone. Then in there, I probably want to be a buyer. So I do favor sell side trades. We got a P point right below us at 138, and we have a untested point of control from 2 days back at 906. Then below that, that minus development area. It's kind of my game plan. Then once we get down there, I'm probably going to be looking for buy side. Probably. We'll see. And again, I doubt we get there tonight. But we've kind of been spoiled recently with the large ranges in Asia. So we'll see. So we're probably just going to chop until he comes out. Chop, 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 chop. But don't forget, if you guys do want a chance to win a free account, make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. We're going to do a duck race tonight. You probably have better odds of winning since there'll probably be less people on the stream. So let's go. Let's go. Or should I change the title? I'm probably not going to stream as late tonight. And I won't be streaming tomorrow night. Keep in mind the markets are going to be closed early on Friday at 9:15. So. Oh, they're trying to lift it back up here a little bit. We're at the first deviation bands on the VWAP. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we go higher first. So today was basically a D as in dog shape profile. Kind of a D-ish shape profile. So we'll see if the first move ends up being a trap. We're at the second deviation bands. Oh boy, do I dare take a smack at it? Do I dare? New session highs on the ES or on the NASDAQ? Probably ES too, maybe. See if we can get a little scalp. Selling into the strength as we broke the high. There we go. Quick little scalp. Thank you very much. You see short term, we're overbought. And if you look right over here on the VWAPs, or right up here above the second deviation band, we keep pushing away from the bands. Bam, come back to it. Hit the second band, come back to it. Hit the bands down here, come back to it. Back to it, back to it. So again, that'll keep working until it doesn't. So no sense in trying to reinvent the wheel. No sense in trying to reinvent the wheel. Let's just let her rip. Let her rip. So let's see. We did get a trade detector bubble right here as well. Someone tried to sell it. They're being rewarded. We're way pushed away from the regression channel. And they're still pumping it. Let's go look at crude oil. With the market pumping, what's crude doing? Let's see if crude is being affected by it. Yeah, crude's going down. So Trump's supposed to be out at 9 o'clock. We'll see if he's on time. We'll see if he's on time. Maybe he is, maybe he won't. So we shall see. Again, we're up there by those bands. I might take another crack at this short. Let's see. Can I get a little scalp again? Push that target down a little bit more. Don't you do it. Don't stop me out. I'll take another swing at it. Yeah, I should have waited till we're oversold, which we are right now. They're trying to get it now. Hey, oil's going down a little bit too. Wow, it's a pretty big ripper. Let me go check financial juice. I'll show you exports. That was a few minutes ago. Get one more shot. One more shot. We're way above the VWAP bands now. You short? Yeah, I just shorted it myself. So we'll see if we're both going to get ran over. Someone has a copy of the speech already? Probably. Crude oil right now is down $2.22. It's at $97.90. So it is below $100 per barrel. Come on down. Come on down a little bit more. Go hit that 200 EMA down there. Right, here's the 200 EMA. Let's see if we can get it. Can we get it? All right, that's fine. I got back where I lost in the previous trade. So I'm good with that. Not upset one bit. But we're still way far. We're still pushed up there we're at the third band. Hey, Atomic Trader, what's up? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yeah, White Boy, what's up? But again, anybody that was on the stream this morning, when I called Ninja with my live account issue, I got a little bit frustrated and I thought I came on and said, hey guys, I'm frustrated. I'm going to end the stream. I didn't realize I had the mic still muted. So in my head, I mean, I verbally, if anybody was listening in the office, they would have heard me say it, but the mic was muted. So you guys didn't hear it. It sounded like I just shut it off. Yeah. Hey, Trim, we're going to be giving away a pretty account tonight, which I'm really liking this account right here. We're going to be giving away the 50K EOD account. And their rules are, they got some of the best rules, I think. I got one of these accounts right now, and I have two of these. But this account, look at this, $3,000 drawdown and $3,000 take profit. That's all you have to make. I like it. I likes it a lot. You see oil going on down, making new lows for the night. Let's get it. Let's get it. If the market wants to rip, let it rip. I'm fine with that too. I'm not short at the moment. We are going to stream Trump as he comes on. Hey, Trim Trader, it was Perdia. Here, there's a link in the description box down below, but I'll link you to it here in just a moment. Let me find it. Let's see if it'll let me do it. You can check it out right there. Yeah. Let's see. We do have a 9 count up there on the ES. We're starting to get close to Trump's speech, so I don't know that I want to toy with this at the moment. Taking 3 trades already. 2 wins, 1 loss. And tonight I've just been playing the reversion right back to the VWAP. Push it away, bam, smack it back towards it. It's been working fantastic. We do have a washout signal there too. Hey, Rapid, what's up? What's up? To the moon. Hey, we got a washout signal right here on the ES. We broke the low of the candle. Can we get a little bit of a push down? Maybe all the way back down to 65, 66.15. Maybe. I'm curious to see if it does it. Hey, so was anybody affected? Was anybody in here affected by the Trade of 8 outage this morning? Did anybody get affected by that with their prop accounts? Hey, so those of you that have been affected, were your accounts restored? Did they fix it yet? Let's see if we go back above that candle. That'll bust that signal. Again, we got Trump in about 10 minutes. And I'm going to bring the audio in when Trump's speaking tonight. So listen to see what he has to say. I'm going to probably end the stream earlier tonight. Rhythmic had issues today too. I don't know about that. Yeah, I'm just wondering if anybody couldn't close out a trade or open a trade. And if you had your balances restored. I was in a trade. I couldn't get out. And then my live account got affected too afterwards. So it's like, dang it. I called him up. That's when I ended the stream. I called him up and that guy kind of made me mad. He's like, this is for live accounts. I said, I got a live account. I think he thought I was calling about a prop account. He probably got His phone probably got blown up today with a trade of 8 outage. But my live account issue was afterwards. So let's see. And here's what you guys probably did not see on stream. I just put a trade on the ES and then delayed data shows up in my live account. So I called Ninja and that guy just ticked me off. He's like, I can close the trade out for you. I was like, no, I don't know if I want it closed. I can't see it on my charts. You're probably a lot. Probably they got, I mean, the prop firm space is pretty big. Hey, so that washout signal was still intact. We never took out the high of it. The washout signal technically is currently working. I'm not in it, but just watching it. I'm not going to take any more trades until after Trump comes out. Let's see. Let's see if it goes on down. Can you get on down there? You think we go down after Trump taco? And if we rock it up, I'm probably gonna smack this bad boy. Get to trade micros. Hey, that's not really a bad thing. Slowing down is a good thing. I don't want to trade the prop account. I want to trade the prop accounts tonight, but I don't because I'm worried about I won't have as much drawdown because of what happened today. So I'm waiting for my balances to be corrected. That's why I was asking to see if any of you guys had your balances restored or anything. Looks like we have about 7 minutes. Yeah, the war's there. He's probably going to say 2 weeks. We got about 2 more weeks and we'll be done. We'll be out of there. Who cares that the straits are open? We don't care about that. We're done obliterating all the targets. Uh-oh. Oh, look at all the buying balances showing up on the ES. It's going to be enough to push above that high. I think it is. Hey, where's my bar countdown timer? Did I accidentally turn that off? Bar countdown timer, where are you at? Oh, that stinks. I don't know what happened to it. I think I accidentally turned it off. Dang it. I don't want to go back in the settings right now. I'll wait. I'll wait till after Trump. After Trump comes out, see if we get some more movements. We are a little bit stretched away from the VWAPs at the moment. Look at the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ. We're at the 3rd standard deviation. Either VWAP's going to catch up to price or price should come back down towards it. But I don't want to throw a trade on before Orange Man comes out. So. And you guys can see the ES is up there in the upper bands as well on the VWAP. So we got about 5 minutes until he comes out. 5 minutes. I need to listen to it so I can see when they stop the music. Uh-oh, I can't hear nothing. That's a problem. Let me just make sure I have it set right. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Must have the wrong thing selected. All right, I gotta change that. Good thing I checked it. All right. All right. So I'll be able to hear it once he comes on. All right, I'm going to give the poll here about another minute. If you guys want to vote, is Trump going to pump or dump the markets? Let's see what y'all think. What is the vote? The chart on the right is a Ninja Rinko chart. Chart on the left is a 1 minute chart. Also have 30-minute charts, 4-hour charts with weekly volume profiles. Here's a 30-minute chart with volume profiles. And then over here, this is a footprint chart right there. Good looking out, Chris. Smash the lucky like button. So far, we have only 40 likes. I think I might make Nightbot also only select the key phrase that we put in for the giveaway, along with you have to have liked the chat. You have to have liked the stream. I think there's a setting in there for that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end the poll. It looks like you guys are expecting a pump. Let's pump it up. 69% said pump. 31% said dump. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Sit on your hands now. It's not necessarily a bad thing. That is not a bad thing. All right, here goes new session highs. Now the market is elevated before Trump came out. So is he gonna give it the smackdown or what? We shall see. Yeah, brand new eval to blow up for this. I don't want to trade my evals. I'm waiting to see if they're gonna adjust the price them. None of them have been adjusted yet that I can see. Oh, Jesse's saying he wants to come in. Get Mr. Jesse James in here. Oh yeah, crap! I didn't realize you're on there. Hey, can you hear me? Not yet. Can you hear me? Can you hear me though? Oh man, ask if you hear me. It's like, I think so. you wouldn't be able to answer me if you couldn't hear me. All right, hold on.
I don't know if I hear you or the
Okay,
stream.
I got you on now. You should be able to hear yourself.
What's up, everybody?
Jesse's joining us for the Trump speech.
Yeah, let's get it.
Marcus getting it right now. Hey, I still haven't had my balances adjusted yet.
Oh no!
I got support tickets out there all over the place.
Let's get it.
So we'll see.
Okay, so the ATR right now is $700. If anybody wants to know.
Trump's not speaking yet. I don't see him. Don't see him yet.
Okay, ticks per minute. NQ is 54. Gold is 33. So NQ is the winner so far tonight.
Oh crap! I think you're a backfeed. Hey, talk.
Yeah.
Oh. It has you on the desktop on too. Oh, because you're in my headset. Uh-oh, we're getting smacked down here.
Ooh, that's a big drop. Ooh. Oh, I missed it. I was going to go long there. Oh, I might still get my chance.
So I'm gonna have to kill your other channel and bring you in on. Okay, no.
Oh, were they hearing me twice because of the desktop
No, they
audio?
will. I have that one muted. As soon as it comes on, I'm gonna put you on because you're coming through desktop audio, which is what Trump's speech will come through on. So I'm just gonna have to kill the other one so it's not like doubling.
I gotcha.
Hey, look, we came right back down to the VWAP too. I've been playing the VWAP. Return back to VWAP tonight. That's what's been my golden. Right back down to VWAP. And I'm wondering if I'm missing Trump's speech, if it's delayed over here. Oh, he's about to come on. Okay. Let me, uh-oh, get ready.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
Thank you very much. My fellow Americans, good evening. My fellow Americans, good evening. Let me begin by congratulating the team and our brave astronauts on the successful traveling further than any manned rocket has ever flown, substantially past the moon and come back around it and come back home from a distance that has done before. Never been done before. It's amazing. They are on the way. They are. God bless them. These are brave people. God bless them. These are brave people. God bless those four. Bless those unbelievable astronauts. Unbelievable astronauts. As we speak this evening, it's been just 1 month since the United States military began Operation Fury. Epic Fury, the world's number one state sponsor of terror. Weeks our armed forces have delivered. In these past 4 weeks, our armed forces have delivered troops on the battlefield. Overwhelming victories like few people have ever seen before. Victories like few people have ever seen before. Their Air Force is in ruins. Their leaders, their Air Force is in ruins. Their leaders, most of them they led are now dead. Regime they led command and control of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps is being decimated as we speak. Their ability to launch missiles and drones is dramatically curtailed, and their weapons factories and rocket launchers are being blown to pieces. Very few of them left.
Oh boy.
Never in the history of warfare has an enemy suffered such clear and devastating large-scale losses in a matter of weeks. Our enemies are losing in America, as it has been for 5 years under my presidency, is winning, and now winning bigger than ever before.
I found out where it was.
Guard Corps is
I can bring Jesse back on. Hold on
decimated as we speak. Their ability to launch missiles and drones is dramatically curtailed, and they're by everyone all over the world. After rebuilding our military during my first term, we have by far the strongest military anywhere in the world, and now we're working along with Venezuela and are in a true sense joint venture partners. We get along incredibly well in the production and sale of massive amounts of oil and gas, the second largest reserves on Earth after the United States of America. We're now totally independent of the Middle East, and yet we are there to help. We don't have to be there. We don't need their oil. We don't need anything they have, but we're there to help our allies.
Crude oil's going up.
Tonight, I want to provide an update on the tremendous progress our warriors have made in Iran and discuss why Operation Epic Fury is necessary for the safety of America and the security of the free world. From the very first day I announced my campaign for president in 2015, I have vowed that I would never allow Iran to have a nuclear weapon. This fanatical regime has been chanting death to America, death to Israel for 47 years. Their proxies were behind the murder of 241 Americans in the Marine barracks bombing in Beirut, the slaughter of hundreds of our service members with roadside bombs.
Down below the lower regression channel,
in the attack on the USS Cole, and they carried out the countless other heinous acts, including the just horrible, bloody atrocities of October 7th in Israel, something that most people have never seen anything like it. This murderous regime also recently killed 45,000 of their own people who were protesting in Iran. 45,000 dead. For these terrorists to have nuclear weapons would be an intolerable threat. The most violent and thuggish regime on earth would
Let's
be
see, do we get a
free
dip
to carry
first and then a
out
big
their
rally up?
campaigns of terror, coercion, conquest, and mass murder from behind a nuclear shield. I will never let that happen.
P-point already hit.
And neither should any of our past
P-point hit. We're on our way to 906.
This situation has been going on for 47 years and should have been handled long before I arrived in office. I did many things during my 2 terms in office to stop the quest for nuclear weapons by Iran first, and perhaps most importantly, I killed General Qasem Soleimani in my first term. He was an evil genius, brilliant person, a horrible human being, however,
Brilliant.
The father of the roadside bomb, and he lived just horrible what he did. Iran would have been perhaps in far better, stronger position. Had he lived, we would have had probably a different conversation tonight. But you know what? We'd still be winning and winning big. And then, very importantly, I terminated Barack Hussein Obama's Iran nuclear deal, a disaster. Obama gave them $1.7 billion in cash, green cash. Took it out of banks from Virginia, D.C., and Maryland, all the cash they had.
Yeah, we're way below the VWAP
Flew
bands.
it by airplanes in an attempt to buy their respect and loyalty, but it didn't work. They laughed at our president and went on with their mission to have a nuclear bomb. His Iran deal would have led to a colossal arsenal of massive nuclear weapons for Iran, and they would have had them years ago, and they would have used them. It would have been a different world. There would have been no Middle East and no Israel right now, in my opinion, the opinion of a lot of great experts. Had I not terminated that terrible deal, and I was so honored to do it. I was so proud to do it. It was so bad right from the beginning. Essentially, I did what no other president was willing to do. They made mistakes, and I am correcting them. My first preference was always the path of diplomacy, yet the regime continued their relentless quest for nuclear weapons and rejected every attempt at an agreement. For this reason, in June, I ordered a strike on Iran's key nuclear facilities, an Operation Midnight Hammer. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. Those beautiful B-2 bombers performed magnificently. We totally obliterated those nuclear sites.
There we go.
The regime then sought to rebuild their nuclear
9 count down here, way away from the
different
VWAP
location, making clear they had no intention of abandoning their pursuit of
Here's the VWAP bands way below it.
They were also rapidly building a vast stockpile of conventional ballistic missiles, and would soon have had missiles that could reach the American homeland, Europe, and virtually any other place on Earth. Iran's strategy was so obvious. They wanted to produce as many missiles as possible, and they did, with the longest range possible, and they had some weapons that nobody believed they had. We just learned that out. We took them out. We took them all out so that no one would really dare stop them. And they're raced for a nuclear bomb, a nuclear weapon.
Dangerous. I do think it's going to be going down in the coming days.
Seen before. They were right at the doorstep. For years, everyone has said that Iran cannot have nuclear weapons, but in the end, those are just words if you're not willing to take action when the time comes. As I stated in my announcement of Operation Epic Fury, our objectives are very simple and clear. We are systematically dismantling the regime's ability to threaten America or project power outside of their borders. That means eliminating Iran's Navy, which is now absolutely destroyed, hurting their Air Force and their missile program at levels never seen before, and annihilating their defense industrial base. We've done all of it. Their Navy is gone. Their Air Force is gone. Their missiles are just about used up or beaten. Taken together, these actions will cripple Iran
Switched over to the
military,
Ferdia account.
crush their ability to support
Only
terrorist
pop account
proxies,
trade
and
tonight.
deny them the ability to build a nuclear bomb.
Hey, did you actually short
Our
crude
armed
oil?
forces have been
White boy, it's
extraordinary.
going
There's
down.
never been anything like it militarily.
crude
Everyone
oil's
is
trying to come
talking
down
about
here.
it, and tonight I'm pleased to say that these core strategic objectives are nearing completion. As we celebrate this
Look, where's ping pong
progress,
and the
we
VWAP
think
bands?
especially of the
Ping pong and
13
the VWAP
American
bands tonight.
warriors who have
Easy
laid down
pickings.
their lives in this fight to
Easy
prevent
pickings.
our children from ever having to face a
Oh,
nuclear
man,
Iran.
that stinks.
Twice this past month, I've traveled to Dover Air Force Base, and it's been something. I wanted to be with those heroes as they return to American soil, and I was with them and their families, their parents, their wives, their husbands. We salute them, and now we must honor them by completing the mission for which they gave their lives, and every single one of the people, their loved ones said, please, sir,
More chops and wide
please
swings?
finish the job, every one of them. And we are going to finish the job, and we're going to finish it very fast. We're getting very close. I want to thank our allies in the Middle East, Israel,
very
Saudi
close.
Arabia, Qatar, the UAE, Kuwait, and Bahrain. They've been great, and we will not let them get hurt or fail in any way, shape, or form. Many Americans have been concerned to see the recent rise in gasoline prices here at home. This short-term increase has been entirely the result of the Iranian regime launching deranged terror attacks against commercial oil tankers in neighboring countries that have nothing to do with the conflict. This is yet
3 minutes
more
behind?
proof
Oh,
that
man.
Iran can never be trusted with nuclear weapons. They will use them, and they will use them quickly. It would lead to decades of extortion,
shorted it up there.
economic
Dang
pain,
it.
and instability worse than we can ever imagine. The
Should've shorted
United
it up
States
there.
has never been better prepared economically to confront this threat. You all know that. We built the strongest economy in history. We're going through it right now, the strongest in history. In 1 year, we've taken a dead and crippled country. I hate to say that, but we were a dead and crippled country after the last administration and made it the hottest country anywhere in the world by far, with no inflation, record-setting investments coming into the United States, over $18 trillion,
Nice.
and the highest stock market ever, with 53 all-time record highs in just 1 year. It all positioned us to get rid of a cancer that has long simmered. It's known as the nuclear Iran, and they didn't know what was coming. They've never imagined it. Remember, because of our drill baby drill program, America has plenty of gas. We have so much gas. Under my leadership, we are #1 producer of oil and gas on the planet, without even discussing the millions of barrels that we're getting from Venezuela. Because of the Trump administration's policies, we produce more oil and gas than Saudi Arabia and Russia combined. Think of that, Saudi Arabia and Russia combined. And that number will soon be substantially higher than that.
Yeah, oil went back
There's
up.
no country like us anywhere in the world, and
Oil's
we're
on the
in
move
great
back up
shape
again.
for the future. The United States imports almost
California?
no oil through the
That's what
Hormuz
Jesse
Strait,
says. Diesel ate something.
and won't be taking any in the
Crazy.
future. We don't need it. We haven't needed it, and we don't need it. We've beaten and completely decimated Iran. They are decimated, both militarily and economically and in every other way. And the countries of the world that do receive oil through the Hormuz Strait must take care of that passage. They must cherish it. They must grab it and cherish it. They can do it easily. We will be helpful, but they should take the lead in protecting the oil that they so desperately depend on. So to those countries that can't get fuel, many of which refuse to get involved in the decapitation of Iran, we had to do it ourselves. I have a suggestion. #1, buy oil from the United States of America. We have plenty. We have so much. And #2, build up some delayed courage. Should have done it before. Should have done it with us, as we asked. Go to the Strait and just take it. Protect it. Use it for yourselves. Iran has been
Just take it.
essentially
easy. Just take it.
decimated. The hard part is done, so it should be easy. And in any event, when this conflict is over, the strait will open up naturally. It'll just open up naturally. They're going to want to be able to sell oil because that's all they have to try and rebuild. It will resume the flowing, and the gas prices will rapidly come back down. Stock prices will rapidly go back up. They haven't come down very much, frankly. They came down a little bit, but they've had some very good days over the last couple of days. We've done actually much better than I thought, but we had to take that little journey to Iran to get rid of this horrible threat. With our historic tax cuts, where people are just now talking about receiving larger refunds than they ever thought possible. They are getting so much more money than they thought. That's from the great, big, beautiful bill. Our economy is strong and improving by the day, and it will soon be roaring back like
oil's at 101
never before. It will top the levels that it was a month ago. I've made clear from the beginning of Operation Epic Fury that we will continue until our objectives are fully achieved.
Oh, wow.
Thanks to the progress we've made, I can say
Cheryl,
tonight that we are on track to complete all of America's military objectives shortly, very shortly.
If it's live, contact Ninja
We're
Trader.
going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong.
Yeah, you have to contact TPT and then get it squared away pretty quick.
Regime change was not our goal. We never said regime change, but regime change has occurred because of all of their original leaders' death. They're all dead.
Hey, Nasdaq's at 130.
The new group is less radical and much more reasonable. Yet if during this period of time no deal is made, we have our eyes on key targets. If there is no deal, we are going to hit each and every one of their electric generating plants very hard and probably simultaneously. We have not hit their oil, even though that's the easiest target of all, because it would not give them even a small chance of survival or rebuilding. But we could hit it, and it would be gone, and there's not a thing they could do about it. They have no anti-aircraft equipment. Their radar is 100% annihilated.
We're way below the VWAP bands now.
Unstoppable as a military force. The nuclear sites that we obliterated with the B-2 bombers have been hit so hard that it would take months to get near the nuclear dust.
That one got stopped.
And we have it under intense satellite surveillance and control. If we see them make a move, even a move for it, we'll hit them with missiles very hard again. We have all the cards. They have none. It's very important that we keep this conflict in perspective. American involvement in World War I lasted 1 year, 7 months, and 5 days. World War II lasted for 3 years, 8 months, and 25 days. The Korean War lasted for 3 years, 1 month, and 2 days. The Vietnam War lasted for 19 years, 5 months, and 29 days. Iraq went on for 8 years,
we're almost at
103 oil. 28 days. We are in this military operation so powerful, so brilliant against one of the most powerful countries for 32 days. And the country has been eviscerated and essentially is really no longer a threat. They were the bully of the Middle East, but they're the bully no longer. This is a true investment in your children and your grandchildren's future.
906?
The whole world is watching, and they can't leave the power, strength, and brilliance. They just can't believe what they're seeing. They leave it to your imagination, but they can't believe what they're seeing. The brilliance of the United States military. Tonight, every American can look forward to a day when we are finally free from the wickedness of Iranian aggression and the specter of nuclear blackmail. Because of the actions we have taken, we are on the cusp of ending Iran's sinister threat to America and the world. And I'll tell you, the world is watching. And when we do, when it's all over, the United States will be safer, stronger, more prosperous, and greater than it has ever been before. May God bless the men and women of the United States Armed Forces, and may God bless the United States of America. Thank you very much, and good night.
All right, so we get a big bounce now, or what? Who thinks we're going to get a big bounce back up now? Big bounce, time to go long? Is it time to go long? What do you guys think? We're way below We got smacked way far away from the VWAP. Way far. Let me get video in case Jesse wants to come back in. Pull back up. Let's see. Oh, hey, Jesse, you still in there? All right, let me go ahead and turn this back over real quick. I'll put that way we can get the sounds back on. All right, you guys should hear the knocks and the chirps if we get some. If we get some, you guys should hear the knocks and chirps coming back on. Buying here 5 minute. Can't blame you for wanting to buy. Okay, nice little bounce. Huh. I think Jesse has himself muted. All right. Let's see. Can't say anything worth hearing. I know the big speech. The big speech. So look, do we keep going down and hitting that untested point of control? Then start this pullback, right? We were talking about this, and I talked about this in the 5 o'clock video tonight. Pull the fib from the swing low all the way up here to the swing high. So is he trying to talk the market down to help his buddies pick up things a little bit cheaper? There's crude oil right there. We take a look at gold. Gold getting slaughtered out there. The exact opposite of crude oil. So we did the poll beforehand, and the chat voted that the market was going to go higher after Trump's speech. So once again, the market's proven the masses to be wrong, at least initially. We'll see if we end up squeezing back up or not. Dollar index on the move up. No, hey, Paul, it's definitely not over with. Anything but over with. Basically, what I'll say that we got about 2 or 3 more weeks. They don't want to make a deal. We're just going to keep obliterating them. Oh, dang it. Something along those lines. I'm kind of curious. Where did this go to? A financial juice went away. Oops. Mr. Financial Juice. Yeah, Trump said Iran is truly no longer a threat. They're no longer a threat, but we're going to keep taking them out. After is the key word. Yeah, Lego means indicating there are no peace talks. Well, it's funny. Trump comes out and said, yep, we're negotiating with the right people. Iran comes out and says, there is no deal. We're not talking with nobody. We don't know who Orange Man is talking to. So, kind of funny. If you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. We get the 100 likes. We're going to do a giveaway. We give away a pretty 50K EOD account. You got to be signed up to the email list down below, and your email must be confirmed, just like we do with the New York session live streams. So, let's see. Again, we keep going on down, making new lows. We're stretched pretty far away from these VWAPs. Crude oil is up $3.11. No, I don't have any MNQs on. None. So, fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know. So we'll see. I'm kind of curious. Let's go look at the Nikkei. What is the Nikkei? Nikkei's down 483. Nikkei gapped up only to roll over and fill the gap. See, Trump can move the markets. We had a tight range. Now we're like a 66-point range, it looks like. I trade the NASDAQ and the S&P. Every now and then I'll trade crude oil and gold. Hey, white boy, good thing your computer went down. Because that crude oil short would have got smoked. Jeez. $23,929. See us maybe going down there. Let's go look over here in the ES. Got some trade detector bubbles down here. Yeah, we should get a bounce at some point. We're way far stretched away from the VWAPs. And this holds true for the S&P as well as the NASDAQ. You look, we made it all the way down to the third band down here. So the VWAP is at 142. That's a decent little push back up if we make it up there. Of course, the longer we stay below it, VWAP will probably come down a little bit as well. But keep asking evals for lucid flex, but blowing funded accounts. Base hits are better, but lower the target, lower your size. Lower the size. Especially in this market right now, you can go down to micros and there's plenty of movement to get the opportunity we need to make a little bit of money. So, blew up the MFF. Hey, I mean, prop accounts get blown up every day. Wouldn't be hurting yourself for it. Hey, Eddie, Friday, the markets are going to close at 9:15. So tomorrow night, I am not going to stream. It's going to be the day before Good Friday. So I'm not going to stream tomorrow night on this channel. I am going to stream New York session, but a little bit of it. So we can stream the NFP numbers coming out. So I'll probably still come on at 8, stream to about 9:15. Yeah, this is the weekly chart right here. So from the weekly low to the high, a minimum retracement would be the 38% retracement. And in tonight's video, I talked about that high volume node as well. So, hey, String B, what's up? Good evening. Might call it a day. Was trying for 2K a day once funded. Yeah, I mean, if you try to make a whole bunch really quick, yes, it's possible, but the more likelihood that you blow up, I think the likelihood that you blow up is more likely. So I'm really thinking about smacking this again. Thinking about smacking it. Smack. Don't know though. I probably shouldn't. Coming right back down to the session lows again. No, hey, Friday. So if we go actually look at this, let's look. And I showed this in the video on Sunday. But if we go over, that's not what I want. See me holiday. Let's look at the holiday trading hours real quick. So if we go down, we actually look on Good Friday. Interest rates will close at 11:15 this Central Time. But look at the equities, 8:15 Central, which will be 9:15. 9:15 Eastern Time. We have the NFP numbers coming out at 8:30, so it could be a wild one out there. So be careful. So it should be fun. Fun. All right, hold on. I'm going to switch my accounts back. I'm going to switch it. Switch it. Give me a second. Let me go. I'll show all my account numbers. Bam. I'm probably going to smack this bad boy here in a second. Let's go. You see all the bubbles down here? We're getting clobbered. We're getting very close. Look, 906. Called it out. That stinks. You think short trading weeks? Yeah, I do too. 23-813 next stop. Raj says. Could be. It shows when Trump started talking, dollar shot up, S&P went down, crude oil went up. Hey, crude oil is almost up $4. $4. Jeez. All right, do I dare take a smack at this? We're way due for a bounce. Smacked it in the wrong account. We should get a bounce at some point. Dang it. Trying to get Phil. Didn't want to fill me. Oh, dang it. I think you would have came down and got me. Ah. Hit my target too quick. Didn't allow me to move it. Let's just see if we get a quick little knee jerk back up. We're way far stretched away from the bands. Come on. Come on. You're going good. Closed it. We'll give it another shot for come down here. We break that. Yes, man. We got a lot of eyeballs. We got a 9 count down here as well. Oh crap. Hit target. I'm trying to move my target up. Let's go. I hope this doesn't turn into a bloodbath here. What's the range? 300-point range on the NASDAQ. We only had 50-point range before Trump came out. Piece was locked in. Piece was priced in. That's what happens when something other than what's priced in occurs. We get big moves in the market. Let's see if we get a nice little squeeze up here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, baby. Come on. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. So we got oil up $3.75. Gold's down 105. Ugh. Man, oh man. It took me a lot of shots on that one, but I think we're in for a nice little bounce. $200 billion for 200-day war. It's a lot of money. Good thing our deficit isn't too big and we can afford it. Hey, look up here on the ES. We have some liquidity up here at 87, 88 to 89, right up in this area up here. Let's see if the ES is going to make it up there. Where that rubber band is stretched way far back. Let's see if they're going to go ahead and pop it. Let's see. 77.5 point range already on the S&P. Here I have some at 29.75. Huh. Yeah, the NASDAQ itself does not. NASDAQ liquidity, I'd watch all the way up here at 171-ish. It's pretty far away. Pretty far away. I like all those bubbles right there. The fact that ES is trying to get above them, I like it. Yeah, everyone will learn very soon. Isfahan. And the Tons. And I want to take another swing. I'll see a little bit more of a pullback first. Pull back and then try to get long again. Try to play the regression back towards the VWAP is what I'm looking for. Yeah, White Boy, I've never really looked at the book map on M&Q. We do have some liquidity down here at 23,900. So let's see. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Again, we get to 100 likes. We need 31 more likes. We have 200 people in here. We're going to do a pretty account giveaway. We have Nightbot pick out 10 people out of the chat. Do a little duck race. Make sure you are signed up to the email list down below and your email is confirmed. You got plenty of time to do it. If you're not signed up, you can still sign up right now. It's free. Watch MES, M&Q, NQ, and nice. Let's go. Hey, gold's coming back a little bit. Gold's only down 89, 91. We're up here near the upper regression channel. I want to see a little bit of a pullback, and I may look to go for another long. Let's go look. We already hit the V. Did we hit the VWAP? We did not. Whoa, we got close to it. We did not hit the VWAP. VWAP is at 915. Again, being that the rubber band stretched that far back, it's got to pop back at some point. No, hey, Atomic, if you're already on the email list from the main channel, you don't have to sign up from it. If you've already ever signed up to the email list, as long as you didn't take yourself off the list, you don't have to re-sign up. You're already on the list. 100-person duck race. Man, that'd be a lot. That'd be a lot to put. Friday, the market's going to be closed at 9:15, Paul. And as soon as the market's closed, I'm going to the movies with my daughter. So we'll be giving away a 50K end of day drawdown per day account. I really think they have the best instant funding type of account. If you actually look at it, look at the rules. Again, they don't have a bunch of BS rules. $3,000 EOD, $3,000 for the drawdown, and your profit target's only $3,000. But you got to be aware of this. Whatever you do, if you get this passed, do not withdraw all the money out of the funded account as soon as you can. If you withdraw it all and bring it down to zero, they will probably ban you. So be well aware of that. 2 contracts up at 24,070. I want to go long again. Play a little bouncy bounce back up. Just a little one, just a little bit. I even chased it up. I chased it up just to get friggin' stopped out, you stupid market. Oh, my charts froze. That was weird. Oh man, don't tell me my charts are jacked up again. That's weird. My charts seem like a little bit slow. Really, really weird. I mean, I still think we want to go lower, but in the short term, very, very short term, I still think we want to bounce here a little bit more. And I want to play that bounce. I'm looking to play the bounce. So let's do it. 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 Okay, I think we're gonna get a bounce in the meantime. I'll look for the continuation back down. But in the meantime, crap, you guys are on the wrong screen still. But in the meantime, I don't want to short after we've had a big move down. Really wait for the retracement back up. So if I think we're gonna get a retracement, why not play the move back up so then I can get short? And we can get some quick little squeezes up like we got earlier. Or that can happen. Or that happens. We didn't hit the point of control yet. But if you look over here, I have a hard time wanting to short anything when we're near the second deviation band away from VWAP. Just to me, that's not the high probability trade. Just saying. For me. Maybe for you. What about the ES over here? Let's go ahead and pull the fib up for the ES. Low to high. Let's see. I don't know. ES on the 1 minute chart looks like it wants to roll over a little bit again. ES and NASDAQ both look like they kind of want to roll over. Had 9 count to 9 count right there. We got some buying bounces on the ES. Let's see. Can the ES bounce? Pull Mr. NASDAQ up with it. Just a little bit. We shall see. Hey, good night, good night. Now, I don't necessarily think we're going all the way back up to the VWAP right now, but I do think we get a little bit of a bounce. I'm upset I didn't put on the micro short before the Trump speech now because I was favoring downside towards the minus development areas from the prior day. So, but Raj says, I think we get one more dip and then bounce. One more dip. Oh no. Oh no, say it ain't so. Raj is trying to jinx me. I want to go long, and Raj said one more dip. I need to hold out. Hey, a lot of times too, if we're still down way below the VWAP at 11 o'clock, I will take a swing at it. With some micros overnight. Hey, Mike, for the ABC, A to B equals C to D pattern. No, the decompletion is 100%. So look, here's a simple way of looking at it. If we were to smooth this up out of the way. All right, let's say we have the market does this. All right. So we're trying to see where this will complete. Well, what we're anticipating is if the market can move this far from the start to the finish, then we expect once we get the bounce out from here up to here should be the same distance. So if I grab my Fibonacci extension, start here, right there towards the tip and back down, you see the 100% level would be right up here. And if we simply just copy that, copy, and then I paste it. Oops. Copied the wrong thing. Hold up. Copy. All right. If you look, you go just like that. So look, see that arrow, all I did was copy that arrow right there. The same exact distance. All right. It's the same. So that's all we're trying to move. We're expecting if we had the first impulse leg up, once we get done with the correction, we should be able to do another impulse leg roughly the same distance. Now, sometimes it will go to the 127 or even the 1618 extension. That does occur. But are we going back down, taking out the lows? Oh my goodness. Where are we at? Oh, that's the, yeah, sounds like 920. Are we going to be able to hit the point of control? 906. Raj was probably right. We're about to take out the lows. Taking out the lows. Raj said just one more bounce. Raj like one more bounce. What? One more dip before we bounce. Let's see if we hit that point of control. 906. We do have a little bit of liquidity down here on the NASDAQ. 900. $900. So 900 strike price. We'll see. Do we go down there? If we get down there, that'll take out the 906 point of control. We have crude oil up $3.68. Jeez, always. What are they doing? They're making me want to buy it. They're making me want to buy it. We didn't take out that low yet. We didn't take it out yet. It's going to be a little double bottom. Yeah, let's go ahead and roll. Oh, crap. Jesse scared me. Scared the crap out of me. I don't know if they can hear you or not. Hey, can you guys hear Jesse? Nope. Now they should. Can you talk?
I'm back.
All right, Jesse's back.
Yep.
I'm really mad that I couldn't trade the
I don't think I can hear
Proper
Mike
counts.
though.
Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Jesse can't hear me. All right, hold on. Once I'm out of this trade, I'll look it up.
Yeah.
I think I know why. Trying to do it and look at this trade at the same time is pretty. Oh yeah, I see why. Hey, can you hear me now?
I think I'm hearing you now. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Manage your trade. Don't worry about me.
Should have probably already got out. Yeah, we're way far stretched away from the VWAP. I'm just looking for a regression back towards it. That rubber band stretched a little bit too far.
We're way the hell stretched away from everything. I can't believe what happened. That's crazy.
Yeah, I would have shorted in the proper counts, but I'm still waiting to see if they're going to adjust my balance.
I mean, dude, I went to go make dinner, but I didn't hear anything new. Like, he didn't say anything new that we
No,
didn't
but
already.
but the market was priced in that we're going to have a peace deal. Kumbaya. We're going to shake hands, hold, hug, give big old kisses, and eat dinner together.
So what did I miss? I missed the last like 5
We're
minutes.
going to bomb the living shit out of them.
Oh,
if they don't make a deal.
Okay.
That's essentially what they said. But
Jalanta, what's up, fam?
we're going to be obliterating all the targets.
Spaces. Good to see you guys.
I'm going to probably jump off tonight at 11. I'm gonna jump off early tonight. Get some sleep. I'm tired. I'm
Oh,
tired.
when is 11? What time is it now?
I got about an hour and 10
All
minutes.
right.
Ooh, come on. Let's go. Let's go. We'll move this bad boy up a little bit more. Hopefully I don't get greedy. Hopefully the greedy don't become the needy here.
Jalanta says becoming the favorite stream. All right, let's go.
Hey, don't forget, guys, 100. Once we get to 100 likes, we're gonna do the giveaway, the Perdia 50K EOD account. So make sure you're subscribed to the email list down below, and your email is confirmed. We'll see who has the fastest duck out there. Uh-oh. I don't like that coming down a little bit. Might kill if we break that little swing point. I'm probably out.
Buyer's still in control on Bookmap.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to sit through a little pullback though.
Still buyers, still buyers, still buyers, still buyers.
Wow, I'm not playing it. I'm gonna take it.
Homie,
Take
don't
it.
play that.
I gotta take it. I can't let it come back. It's coming back, but that's fine. Yeah, we took Carg Island. They're gonna wait. They're gonna wait to announce. Oh, we do got 100 likes. All right, we're gonna do the giveaway in just a second. Let me go get some ibuprofen. Man, I got a nasty headache. Yeah, I'm getting a migraine. I think from all my head spinning all day. Yeah, I gotta figure out. Man, what happened to my assistant? Wait, oh, there's that sexy guy right there. I know. It's so he can hear everything that's going on. All right, give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some ibuprofen. Timber. I think it still wants to go lower, but it wants to bounce a little bit first. Is what I think, but what? Hey, have you guys been over here, Jesse? Have you guys heard Jesse talking? Oh man. I know. Jeez Louise. Man, I had Jesse hold it down. He did such a good job. You guys couldn't even hear him. He was stealth mode. I still don't think they hear you. Here, talk. Oh, your audio turned off.
Jeez Louise.
Rookie. Jeez.
Amateur hour, I'm telling
Yeah.
you.
You're in there having a
So-
good conversation all by yourself.
All right. Well, for everybody who was chatting when Mike was gone, I was acknowledging your comments and talking back.
And I could hear it in the headset. I thought he was having a conversation with you guys. That's funny. That's pretty funny.
Liquidity higher or lower? Let's take a look at Bookmap. Both. We got a little bit down at 23,900 and a little bit up at 24,000.
Yeah, I agree. So here's for you guys to see it. Here's the 24,000 he was talking about in 900.
I mean, it's not a lot compared to what just happened, but it's something.
They smoked it. Hey, oils are up $4 right now. Oil is up $4. Yeah, we got liquidity on the ES as well. So right around 65.50, and then up here 65.88 to 89, right up in that area. Right up here. I don't know, man. The longer we spend down here at these lows, I don't know. It could get pretty ugly.
So this is, in my opinion, this is a false flush, and I mean,
Well, he
but
said,
like Mike was saying, we're at the low of the regular trading set, or like from last night's open and low. So if we flush this, it could get ugly, like he's saying. But I mean, nothing new came out of that speech, really.
well, he also said, well, he did say that the straits will just open naturally. They're just gonna poof, and the oil is gonna flow like we've never seen oil flow before.
That sounds exactly like him, dude. I mean, it's kind of true. As soon as they run out of rockets and drones, I mean, what are they gonna do?
Yeah.
He ain't wrong.
I gotta get the duck race up. If you guys aren't yet subscribed to the email list, make sure you sign up because we're gonna get a little duck race. We got pretty good odds of being in it.
You know
Let's
what else?
see.
We've got some new people hanging out too. So let's give them a link to let's link the main channel that Mike streams every morning. Make sure you guys are subscribed over there too.
I don't think I have it pulled up yet. I think I see that. Well, you know what? I don't have Nightbot set up for this channel. I didn't think about that. Slacker. All right, here's a link for the main channel. I wonder if I can have a night. I wonder how I do that. What if I can do that in a different browser so I don't mess it up for the main channel? We're gonna do a duck race tomorrow on the main channel too. All right, let me see. I don't know where this window is gonna pop up. Let's see. Nightbot.
Ahmed says going lower.
I do think we're going lower, and I just think we might bounce first though, or in the near future. I think we're coming down towards these minus development areas on the ES and on the NASDAQ. Wow, ES made it a little bit further down there. That really ticks me off. But that's
40 hours. So Ben's been waiting 40 hours for a payout from TPT. I'd open a ticket. That's not normal. Something must have got hung
Yeah,
up.
you got something messed up there. Hey, because my friend's been getting payouts every single day.
Oh, hey, did you go in and did they do the first approval part of it yet?
There's two parts. There's two parts.
Yeah. Sometimes some people forget to go in and like, what's the button say? I forgot.
Proceed.
Proceed. That's right. It's been a while since I got a payout. Support said soon. Okay. Weird. That's odd.
I don't know. My friend's been getting payouts every single day. Every single day. Okay, so let's do command. Yeah,
Apple, yes. Same email list as the main channel. Yep.
Yeah, if you're already on the email list, you don't have to worry about signing up. If you're on it from the main channel during the day. Connect channel. Okay, how do I do giveaway? Keyword. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'll try this. And I'll be all caps too.
Hey, you see Keith's comment? Hey, Keith Smith, great point. Great point. He says, hey, Trump says we have all the oil we need. So much oil, we don't know what to do with it. We're selling it to other countries. Then why are our gas prices so high? Why is my diesel $8.30 right now?
Because we got too much gas.
Good point.
We got all gas, no diesel.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, let me look at, I'll try to find the flex for you.
Hey, Larry. Yeah, I mean, not every night. I think Mike said he's going to skip tomorrow night.
Yeah.
I might be able to kick his ass into gear, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Not every night. We were only going to be doing this a few nights a week, but it's been so fun. What's up, John?
His Tesla is cheaper to fill up. Let's do this.
Yeah, Larry. Yeah, it's good to have you here too.
All right, here we go. Share, copy. All right, here's the link for the flex rules. So we asked about Lucid Flex. There's a video for that. Yeah, I don't like how we're sitting down by these lows. We might bust and go lower. So I'm glad I'm staying preoccupied at the moment. Oh, man.
Dimitri, Mike did some trading. He's up on the night pretty good.
Yeah.
I am not. I'm down pretty good.
Are you?
I was trying to eat my dinner and I kept trying to knife catch the bottom there and that didn't work out so well. But I kept taking my stops.
I got stopped out a couple times doing that too. I had a couple good winners off of it.
Hey, I was able to get for anybody who's been following along the Jesse journey, with the new ATMs and the new stops, the tighter stops and everything from today's trading, I had 10 wins, 9 losses, $3,500 green.
That's good.
So that's only 52% win rate, but $3,500.
Yeah, a lot of people are like, oh, that sucks, but that's really good.
No, that's
really good.
Evidence right there that it's not about your win rate. It's about your profit, your how big your stop is compared to how big your wins are, right?
Yep.
So there you go. All
right. Hey, so if you do, let's do real quick. Let's do the rules real quick. If. Ever see the hidden camera of the woman with Tesla rental at the gas? I did not. If you want a way to enter the giveaway, make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. Your email is confirmed. If you win and you're not on the email list, too bad, too sad. You will forfeit. Then I'm going to give out a key phrase and you guys can type it in and we'll see who's got the fastest duck. We're going to pick 10. Well, I'm not going to pick it, but Nightbot's going to pick 10 little ducklings. And we're going to see who has the fastest duck out there. So let me log into the email list real quick.
You getting ready to do that right now, Mike, or do I have time to answer a few
no,
questions?
you can answer a couple questions. I'm looking at the email. That's fine.
It's a chat scrolling pretty quick. How many people we got in here?
263.
That's why it's moving fast. Sorry, guys. Can you share your ATMs? Yes, I could, but they're not going to work unless you... So my ATMs are very specific to the 5-minute ATR. So unless you trade exactly like me, they probably wouldn't do anything for you there, Emerald. But we can get into that another night when we got more time for sure. I have no problem sharing my settings and all that stuff. I missed another one. How do you calculate your stops? Okay. My stops are a solid $350. That's it on every trade size.
I like it.
No matter how big the ATR is at the moment, 350 is my maximum stop. And I came up with that number by running all my trades. So I exported a month and a half worth of trades out to spreadsheets, ran all the numbers. And then Mike and I, we got together and ran it through ChatGPT and asked it some very specific questions. ChatGPT gave me the same feedback as my spreadsheets showed me. And that's how I came up with the 350.
Yeah, Jesse was down on his luck one day. I said, look, this is what you got to do. Get all this, that, do this. And he did it. And he was like, wow.
I was like, I was like, I can't believe I've never thought of doing that before, like running all my trades through some statistics and like really looking at it. So I did that a few months back, but I was using a $600 stop because I didn't want to lose some of the bigger winners. And that's been fine for a few months, but during this volatility, it's not been fine. So I wanted to fine tune it a little bit more. So there you go. It's 350 stop on every trade, and then the target's based on the current ATR size. And somebody asked about an auto break even. I do not do an auto break even. I do not want to get taken out of a trade. But what I do have is once the price gets 80% of the way to a full ATR, I have an automatic trail that kicks in.
And
So
somebody
that's how I handle my exits.
And somebody asked, Mike, what are the giveaway rules? The rules are you have to be signed to the email list down below. Your email must be confirmed, so you still got a few moments to do that. And I'm going to give out a key phrase. You type the key phrase in, and Nightbot's going to pick out 10 random people, and we're going to put them into a duck race. We're going to race the ducks and see whose is the fastest. So.
Yeah, let's get it. Duck race, duck race, duck race. Hey, hard stop. Yeah, hard stop on every trade is $350. No, that is not my daily stop. No, that's 1,800. I ran those stats through ChatGPT also.
Hey, so you export your trade. So if you go to your trades, you can extract all your trades out of the platform and then just paste that into ChatGPT.
Yeah, but you got to ask very specific questions like, hey, ChatGPT, can you please analyze all my trades like MAE versus MFE and tell me how I can improve my losses and my targets, right? And it'll give you some good suggestions.
The email list should be the first link in the description box down below. Let's just double check that.
What's your take profit target in ticks? That depends on the current 5-minute ATR.
Giveaway sign up is right there. First link, giveaway sign up.
There you go. Hit the link, sign up, and then it'll email you, and you got to confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email, and then you're good.
Usually it goes to spam too.
Yeah, check your spam. So for example, on the ticks question, so right now the ATR is 1,155. So NinjaTrader is telling me, my indicators tell me, okay, you need to be on your whoop, it just jumped to 1,200. So Ninja's telling me use your $1,200 ATM, which I'm not going to do right now because it's dumping and I want to be long. So I'm just sitting on my hands.
I mean, I don't like the fact that for the longer we spin down at the lows, the more likely that low's going to give way. You see the ES actually pushed through it.
Uh-oh, Nightbot's going crazy, starting to tag people for spam.
Is it?
Yeah, it spammed John, or it got John for spamming.
Let's see what it says.
I can do this all day.
Hey, John, you put in the wrong code. You put in TBT, use code PFM. It's code Mike, John. It's code Mike.
Mike.
We're not giving away a Take Profit Trader account right now. That'll be in the morning. We give away a pretty 50K EOD account. Their instant funded accounts are the best. Who is this? Let's see. Oh, nice. Hey, Atomic Trader. Let me just make sure this isn't going to show any accounts. Hey, Atomic Trader just sent me an email.
Oh, he got spammed too. We better turn off Nightbot. Nightbot's going rogue.
Maybe not. Maybe they're going crazy.
Atomic Trader.
Let's see.
It's probably going to block everybody from putting in the code.
Yeah, you're right. I wonder how I did that. I just turned Nightbot on. I guess that's the default settings.
Yeah.
Well, I guess people a chance to sign up to the email list.
Mike will figure it out. We'll turn off the caps thing. Hold on a sec, folks.
Is that what it's blocking it for?
Yeah, it's blocking for all caps. We're gonna race trim.
Oh yeah.
Hold up.
Caps.
Hold up.
Bam. Excessive emojis. Excessive symbols.
You got it turned off? Did you apply it?
Yeah. Not yet.
Okay, hit apply. Let's have a test. Let's do a test, guys. Spam the chat with some caps. Let's see you go. Spam it up. Let's go. Make sure Nightbot isn't gonna tag you.
It did all caps. See, it's good.
There we go. There we go. Spam it. Let's go. All right, we're good.
Nightbot being bam. You're hit.
All right, we're good.
Bad boy.
Nightbot put away the cattle prod.
All right.
Hell yeah. Duck race, duck race, duck race.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to drop the code here in just a moment. So be ready for it. And this is going to be for the Pretty account. It's going to be the 50K EOD account. And again, you probably won't have it till tomorrow, but as soon as I get confirmation back, so I'm going to send you an email, whoever the winner is. You guys send me back your info ASAP. Then, as soon as I get the confirmation the account's been credited to you tomorrow, I will email you to notify you. Now, I think the instant funding is their best deal. 3,000 drawdown, 3,000 profit target. That's crazy good. And then once you at payout, you get payouts every day. That's pretty.
Yeah, I might have to check out Perdia.
That's pretty awesome.
I'll have to use code Mike.
Yeah, use code Mike.
Hey, for those of you who got tagged by Nightbot, can you just try to just type in the chat real quick? Let's make sure you're not blocked from entering the duck race.
No, Perdia is not Tradeify, but Tradeify is awesome too. But it's, in terms of the drawdown to what you have to make, I haven't seen another platform, and there is no consistency rule in the instant funded account. No consistency. But the first, so let's talk about how that works real quick. I was a little bit confused at first, but I had some talks with the peoples over there. So yeah, the first time you trade it, you're at the trade for at least 10 days. You have to have 5 profitable days. You have to make $3,000. Then you get moved to a live account. In that live account, you can withdraw your money. But if you withdraw all the money, let's say you got 3,000 and you request all 3,000 out, they will shut down your account, give you your money, shut down your account, and then ban you. They're looking for traders that want to trade. Now, if you took out 1,000 or 2,000 and you had some in it, you blew it up from trading, that's fine. I asked that specific question.
So in other words, they're looking for a long-term
yes,
long-term agreement between you and them. They don't want to hit it and split
Correct.
it type of thing. Yeah.
And they might even be opening up brick and mortar prop shops in the future as well.
All right.
They're thinking about that. So they're all about really doing it the right way. Now the EOD accounts, this is what we're going to be giving away today. So we shall see. Let's go. Let's go. Again, it has a daily loss limit, $1,000, but it's a soft breach. So target 3,000, 2,000 for the drawdown.
That's Perdia, Robert.
Yeah, Perdia. Let me get the link. Ooh, I can't test it. But
okay, Raj. Good night there, bud.
Yeah, good night, Raj. See a link down in the description box down below for Perdia. All right, let's get ready to give out the key phrase. As the market's dumping, I'm glad I'm not long. I am mad though, because I would have been short in those effing accounts. But it is what it is.
Eric says the correct terminology is hit it and quit it.
Whoa. Hey, is that what we tell your wife too?
I'm
gonna tell your wife you said that.
They're looking for a commitment, okay? A committed relationship.
They want you to put that ring on the finger.
That's right.
Put a ring on it. So, all right.
John still can't talk in the chat. He's texting because Nightbot blocked him, and I think Nightbot blocked some other people too.
Oh, okay. Let me go on Nightbot and figure out
we got to let these guys out of jail.
Oh boy, all right. Let me go. Let me go to the channel. Where's that at? Let me go to the studio real quick. I wonder if it really banned them.
I think it does a timeout or something.
I gotta go try to find it. Hey, you're bad. So I mean, if you're bad, you just can't be in it.
That's interesting because Atomic's not in jail.
John must have been really bad.
Oh,
Hey, he used the wrong code. He had code PFM. So Nightbot banned him. Let's see. Is that permission? I gotta act like I know where to do this at. I don't know. This is funny. I don't have all these problems on the day channel.
You got Nightbot pretty fine tuned over there on the other channel.
No, hey, he's not banned. He's not banned. Hey, how do you untake someone out of timeout? All right, John, you're okay. You can come out of timeout now.
That I don't know.
I looked in the ban. He's not banned.
Yeah, it must be a timeout.
Because Atomic didn't get it. Interesting.
I have no idea. I'm not a YouTube guru.
I don't know.
You want me to Google it?
That's funny.
Oh, it says change the timeout to 10 seconds and it'll pull them out.
Well, but for John or for everybody? I don't even know how to put the people on timeout. Oh, let's go see.
I don't know.
I don't want to put that user in timeout. I don't even know how to do that. Yeah, I'm not used to blocking people and stuff. Let's see. Let me see if I can go back and find John. What if he might be gone? Oh, there's Atomic. So John was before Atomic, right? Oh, there he is.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's see. Hide user on this channel. Put user in timeout. Okay, I'll do 10 seconds.
He says he's here listening in.
All right, John, you got 10 seconds and you'll be out. You can come out of timeout. Just promise to be a good boy or else.
Stupid Nightbot.
He's in. See?
It worked.
See? You just got to be a good boy. That's the problem. They knew you were still up to no good. All right. So, hey, let's get ready to type in the key phrase. I'm going to give it out here in just a moment. Uno momento.
Hey, Pawn, thanks for the tip on that.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. Your wife's version of timeout. All right. The key phrase is going to be Perdia, use code Mike. Bam.
Perdia, use code Mike. So copy and paste that. For those of you who are new and you've never been in one of Mike's duck races.
Never been a duck.
You got to copy that and keep pasting it. Spam the chat with that. Spam it, and Nightbot's going to randomly pick people to get into the race.
What is going on here?
There you go. Now they're picking it up. Spam the chat. Hit it.
All right, let's go. All right, we got the first contestant in the duck race. We're looking for 10, so we got 9 more to select. And we're going to be giving out more accounts next week as well. All right. James Dry Ice is going to be duck number 2. Duck number 2. All right, number 3. My eyes are bad. That was... Oh, Jalanta. All right.
There you go. Jalanta.
There we go. Number 4.
That's the person that said we're the favorite stream. Woohoo!
Oh, man, I'm rooting for duck number 3.
Yeah.
I got a favorite. That's going to be funny if it comes in. All right. Number 5 is going to be Mac. Number 5 is going to be Mac.
Mac. Let's go.
Number 6 is going to be... That's a different Max. Oh, the other one was Mac. This one's Max.
We got
1,
Mac
2, 3,
and Mac.
4, 5, 6. All right, number 7. I can't even see that, man. My eyes are jacked. Loft is mark. All right, next one is gonna be, wow, that's a big one. I know that's what she said too, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we got 2 more.
2 more.
Conception.
Conception. All right, 1 more.
Uh-oh. Last but not least. Bam. Man, my eyes. It's hard for me to see that screen.
All right, who's the final entry? You can't read it?
I can't read it. I don't even know if it's a real name. I don't want to mess up somebody's name. So I'm not going to even try to butcher it. I'm horrible
All right,
with
we
names.
got all 10.
All right, let's go see who's got what it takes. Who's got what it takes to win this pretty account.
I hope you guys got your nitrous oxide or turbochargers ready to go.
All right, let's see. On your marks, get set, beep. Oh, I'm not used to hearing sound with that.
There we go.
Whack. Whack.
Let's see. Jolanta in the lead.
Yeah, the bad news is the one that's normally in the lead first doesn't win. I've only seen one where they're in the win the whole way. Bob's probably in bed. He's resting up for that London stream tonight.
Wrongful imprisonment restitution. John. Oh. Okay, I think Loft is in a good spot there.
Where is he at?
Loft is in a good spot there. I like Conception too. Conception's coming up.
You got the one-eyed duck looking crazy. I don't want to be by that guy.
Yeah, who's that? McLice. McLice is killing it.
I think he's going to get overtaken.
10 seconds.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right.
Dude, he might get it. Oh.
All right.
Oh, the Doob Monkey. Doob Monkey.
Hey, so I need the first 3 initials of the email you signed up under. First 3 initials of the email you signed up under.
Good job.
So I can look you up and get you an email sent to you, and you can forward it back to me. Max. All right. Hey, now, if you have never been over, which, give me a second. Let me find you. Real quick, if you haven't done this yet, let me just do something real quick. I'll drop this into the chat. I need to have this link on the hotkeys.
Hey, I think that's the first Perdia giveaway, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Hopefully, Doob, take that account and make some money off of it.
Hey, go right and you click on that link. Make sure you sign up because they're going to need your email. So if you've never had an account with them, go over there, sign up, create an account. Don't buy anything. Just go over there, create an account so they have a email. And that way, when I get your information, I can send it to them. Say, hey, give them this account. And then we'll get you all squared away. All right. That darn duck is quacking in my ear. It's like, whack. Whack.
Yeah.
All right, let me go see. All right, so we got 2. I got 3. That's not that one. Oh, the same one, not that one.
Nice race, Jolanta. Woo, you almost pulled it out. Led the whole race to the last, 6 seconds? Crazy. Max at CRO, he says.
Oh, I found it. Found it.
There you go.
I got your email, so just give me 1 moment. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. So give me a second. I'm going to go to my other Gmail.
Jolanta's got a 10-second sprinter. I think it'd be fun to do a 100 duck race for 10 minutes. That's a marathon. All right, Trim. Good night. Thanks for being here.
All right, hey, I just I just sent you over an email. So as soon as you get that back to me, I'll forward it over to a contact over at Perdia, and we'll get that account transferred over to you. As soon as they transfer it, I will be sending you another email saying, hey, account has been transferred. You're all set to go. Gotta be a button to do all in. I wish there was. Hey, Paul, if there was, we would do it. I'll have to copy and paste every single name.
All right.
Hey,
Eddie,
what's up?
good
What's up?
night.
What's up? Yeah, I've been streaming at night lately. Jesse's been coming on here with me. We've been hanging out. I trade every night, regardless if I'm on stream or not. So Jesse's like, let's just go on and hang out. Come on. I was like, all right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Well, if you think about it, it's 250 people here hanging out that if we weren't on the stream, everybody'd be sitting in front of their charts anyways, right? So might as well hang out together.
Yep. Man, we're still going down. Hey, 90-point range on the S&P. You son of a gun.
Hey,
Still go all
Eddie,
the way
good
down
night. Eddie, Spaces, good night. Good to see you guys.
Still go down there. I'm not gonna get none of it. In those
Yeah.
accounts. I don't think they've
been
adjusted my balances.
One heck of a drop out here. Jeez Louise. Hey, look where the previous day's VWAP's at over here on ES. Oh, that's not pretty.
On the ES, how far away is it?
Pretty far. So the previous day's VWAP is down at 507.
Oh yeah. I think we're going lower. I really think the market's trying to come down towards these minus development areas I was talking about. And when we look over here on the look, we're almost at the 38% retracement. This is what we talked about in the 5 o'clock video tonight. So on the main channel, if you guys watch it, this is one of the areas I said to watch. Look over here on the ES.
Atomic says, love these streams. Thanks for evening stream. Love it. I know you're not teaching directly, but I learn a lot. There you go. Good job.
I appreciate it, Atomic. Thanks.
Yeah. Hey, I think I learn a lot from you guys too. So it goes both ways.
Jesse goes both ways. You said it, not me.
That
I'm just saying. It's
You
on
got-
the internet now, so it's there forever.
you got a dirty mind, my friend.
No, I'm just repeating what you said. You can take it however you want. If you think it's dirty, that means you have a dirty mind. I meant you would go long and short. I don't know what you were thinking. I have no idea. Because I thought you only like to go buy side trade. But you said you go both ways, and then I don't know. You said dirty mind. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Yoda, what's up? Good night, Yoda.
And it will forever live on the internet. So.
Conception, appreciate it. Yeah, Mike's a good dude. Been hanging out with you, what, like 4 years now?
It's been a hot minute.
Yeah.
He used to come to nightly streams back when I used to stream at night only.
Yeah.
He used to come on nightly streams, and everyone I've met offline, I've had good experiences with. I haven't had any negative experiences. I usually go out of my way to try to help people out too, so that probably helps.
T Coop. Yeah.
Hey, Trace by GB, what's up? Man, we're still going on down too. Good thing I stayed with the duck race. I didn't mess with this. I didn't like how long we were spinning down here at these lows. So much for a potential double bottom. We never broke that swing point up there. So that pattern is non-existent. We're just
I just don't
grinding
know.
down.
Let me look over here at let me look at the NQ volume profile and see if I see anything interesting over here. No, let's see.
Yeah, I took quite a few trades tonight. Some winners, some losers. I had some decent winners. I got smacked a couple times. Overall, pretty good night.
Oh, I hit my max loss. I stopped.
Did you? That's good.
Yep.
I mean, not good that you hit the loss, but good that you had the control to stop.
Yeah, when I kept trying to friggin' catch the bottom when it was just dumping, and boom. All right, I'm done. I'm
You got done
done.
quick. I'm done.
Yep.
Now, were they valid setups or?
No, hell no. I was just hitting buy.
Hey, at least you're honest about it.
Hey, we were blowing right through VWAP bands, blowing right through my ATR bands, blowing right through the regression channels over and over and over, and I kept longing it.
Hey, at least you're honest about it.
Yeah.
Most people are like, oh, the market cheated me.
But never once did I move my stop or put on more than one contract. Not once. So, trying to get better at that.
Yeah, that's good. It'll just take a little bit of time, then you'll have it. You'll have it licked. I ain't gonna lie. Like, we go down much lower, I'm gonna want to smack it.
Yeah. Hey, Kenny, there was nothing new. Nothing new came out at all. Trump just was talking.
No, he said we got plenty of oil. Come buy it. Come buy all of it.
Nothing new.
And the straits will just naturally open.
He did say that. Yeah, the straits would naturally open. Yeah. In other words, Iran will eventually run out of missiles and drones. And then what are they going to do?
Yeah.
Right? So, anyways, I think, the market just does not like when Trump's talking, ever. I don't think.
Well, sometimes he gets it to go up.
I don't know. I don't know why. Trump speech bullish or bearish for gold and silver? Well, the metals are both down. Yeah, gold and silver both down. So they were Trump's speech was bearish for friggin' everything except for crude and nat gas. Crude oil and natural gas are both up pretty darn big. 3.9 something percent on crude and 1.53% on nat gas. Was there pre-selling before the speech? No, we were ripping up before the speech, weren't we? Hold on, let me rewind. That was my best impression of Mike. Yeah, we were like ripping up. I don't know when that speech started, but it felt to me like they were buying it all up and then just. I could be wrong though.
Look, we want a little bit lower. We are at
But
the
somebody-
30% retracement, so we're getting in the area where we could see a bounce in these markets. If we're gonna bounce, but right now we have the Dow down 440 points. That's a dumpster fire if I ever seen one.
Uh-oh, Dube's getting email errors.
Your email has been blocked because the sender is unauthenticated. I don't even know what you mean by that. Let's see.
Sounds like he got a bounce back when he tried to reply to you. That's weird.
I don't know. I see it where I sent it. I don't see any error. I don't see any error.
That's weird. Yeah, if that's a private email, you'll have trouble emailing. Mike, I'm assuming you use Gmail, no?
That's one of them, yeah.
So if you're using a private email server, if you don't have SPF records or DKIM, all that stuff set up security wise, then Gmail will reject your messages, unfortunately. John. Have a good night, buddy.
Thanks for bailing you out of jail. Oh man.
King of Big Mac. Yeah, I'm a network engineer. I'll
Fancy.
trade.
You get that fancy title.
Yep. Well, I'm a manager now, but I put in the years and years and years of the grunt work.
Oh,
to
so
get
you're
there.
that SOB they hate.
Nah, everybody loves me. Has ES liquidity changed? Let me look at bookmap here.
I mean, it's always changing to some extent.
We got at 65.
Yeah, 55. I don't have 55. Don't look like much to me. It doesn't look like enough. I see the line there, but I was like 65 or 75 for me. A little bit higher. Really like 75 better.
But I don't.
Yeah.
So in the immediate vicinity, if you're just scalping, so 65.40 right below us and 65.55 right above us.
Nobody should be muted, green trades. Can you guys hear Jesse?
Am I muted?
I don't think so.
I hope not. I've been talking for hours.
No, they can hear you.
All right. Liquidity on the NQ, there's not much. NQ is super thin. I mean, we got, what is that, 64 contracts down at 800, 23,800. I mean, there's not much on NQ that I'm seeing anyways.
Oh, trying to go down. Look, we're almost at 38% retracement.
Jeez.
We're about to hit it. Nasdaq still going lower.
What a dump.
Dumpster fire.
I mean, we already gave back yesterday, earlier, the whole move from today. Gone. Whoop. In one speech.
I know. He has the power. He's like, I will move the markets. If you guys don't open the trades, the markets will crash. So, I don't know. I'm getting to a point where I kind of want to buy it. Not gonna lie. I know I'm playing with fire, but I like how it's kind of wedging down here on the 1 minute. But I don't know if I want to ruin a good night.
Well, this might be one of those trades where you put a micro on and go to bed.
It's actually not a bad idea. But here's the problem I have with that. You know, I've been talking to you for quite a while about these minus development areas. That's still a little ways down there.
Yeah. Do we have any POCs? Hold on. What's below us? Not really. Oh, way down there. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
What is...
Hey, and if you actually look, if you look at, like on the NASDAQ, I'll probably be better if I do trading view. Where's trading view at? I must actually.
Geo, it's going down because of all the oil we have. I love it.
Hey, he got the price of oil up. Hey, maybe that's what he was doing. Hey, Trump's a businessman. He was trying to increase the price since we have so much supply.
Ah,
He's trying to get oil to go up so we make more money to pay off the deficit.
there you
Smart
go.
man. But, I mean, he wrecked the stock market. Hey, but if we look over here, let's see, NQ. That's a dumpster fire for sure. But if we look at the 4-hour chart, we just do a fib. And that swing high right there. Down to the low. We did retrace almost a 78.6. That could set up another ABC pattern on the way down and take out that low. That can imply we have further damage to the downside. I was hoping for a little bit more of a retracement back up personally before we dump down. But we all she wrote. Nikkei's down 1,000 points at the moment. It got
Really?
slammed. HSI down 256. CAC is down 120.
Jeez.
There'll be some big gaps if they hold overnight. There'll be some big gaps in the morning. So maybe we'll get some opportunity tomorrow. So possible absorption on the ES footprint. I don't really see it. I don't see where you're seeing the absorption at the moment. I feel like what we had there though.
Well, I saw those big green bubbles on ES a little while ago. Well, that was a long while ago, actually.
Yeah, I'm looking at the last few candles. I just don't see it. I see where they tried to sell it into the hole, but if they try to sell it down here, they came right back up. We have the buy imbalances. If we can get above here, maybe we run to 52 to 53. Maybe.
On Thinkorswim, you can add the bookmap add-on on Thinkorswim to see the liquidity. I think it's a monthly fee, but it's inexpensive. And if you pay that, they'll give you a bookmap for all the stocks, all the futures, everything's included, I think.
Yeah, you can't get the market pulse and stuff though.
Yeah, you won't get the sounds and the market pulse, but at least you get the liquidity levels and the session volume profile and all that stuff. Uh-oh, Dube's still having problems.
It got blocked on the email too. Hey, so did you receive my email?
Yeah, the problem's on his end. It's because he has a private email server. Yeah.
Hey, so hold on. Hey, Dubes. Hey, do you have X? Do you have Twitter? X? Hey, so you can message me the information on X. Hold on. Let's act like I can find my name here.
Fake it till you make it, brother.
Hey, so if you go here, or if you want to give me your name, and I can follow you, and then you can message me the info.
And then, Dube, just a little piece of advice, because I'm a network engineer. You got to get with your IT folks and make sure you get all your email systems got to be set up with all the proper security so that other email servers don't reject your messages. It's called DKIM. Here, I'll put it in the chat. Here's what you need. You need SPF and DKIM. Whoops, I can't spell. There you go. Split striker. Are you guys in any trades? I am not. I hit my friggin' daily loss limit on that dropout. So I said I'm done.
Yeah, none for me. None for me.
Is 65-35 possible?
Anything's possible. If you actually look, let's see.
Let me look at my ES chart real quick.
Look, I really think we want to come down to here. Down to 14 to 64.96 is what I think.
I mean, and also remember S2 is down at what, 518-ish? What is that? We'll just call it 518. So yeah, that's possible. Of course, this is not financial advice. We're here for your entertainment pleasure only.
This sucker rips somebody ticks.
He followed you on X. Yeah, he's got to follow you back, dude, before you can message him.
Yeah, hey, so I don't know how to fix that either. Hey, so what's your name? Hey, put your screen name in there or your X name and I'll go follow you real quick. Just put it in the chat and I'll follow you.
Comeback Runner says, I hate missing out due to earlier mistakes. Yeah, me too. I mean, but I got to follow my rules. If I hit $1,800 red, I'm done. That's it, dude. I got to stop myself because I know what happens a lot of times if I don't. So
target filled. Congrats.
Woo, good job, Apple. Did you have 2 inches in or 3 inches this time?
1.5.
One.
Just a tip.
Yeah. There you go. There's Dube's username.
Let's go see.
What I'd like to see, just because I want all these shorters to get their face.
All right, hey, you should be able to message me now. Let me see real quick.
I want to see this market rip all the way back up to VWAP. Just rip their faces off.
All right, I just messaged you real quick. So if you send me the information there, we'll be fine. I'll forward it over, actually, as we're on stream. And I doubt you'll have the account will be set up until the morning. Tomorrow sometime. Oh, perfect. Oh, hey, I think I need your first name too. Hey, can you do your first name real quick too? Just to make sure. Oh, duh. Yeah.
Is it staring you right in the face there?
No,
Mikey?
but I mean, it's kind of obvious afterwards.
All right, I gotta go pee. I'll be right back.
All right. One second. All right, I already sent it over. It's been sent. Give him permission to pee. All right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cheers. So let's do a poll real quick. I'm kind of curious. Where is everybody at? Let's see. What do you guys think? NQ, green or red tomorrow? Let's see where the chat is at. I'll probably stay on for about another 10 minutes. I'm going to go to bed early tonight. I'll call it an early night. Hey, go ahead and vote in the poll. Let's see where everybody's at. I got a feeling where everybody's going to vote, but let's see if I'm right. Maybe not. I mean, because Trump could come out there and taco tomorrow. So you know what? We've been having great talks. We think we're going to have a deal in a day. For Good Friday, we're going to have a deal. Capitulation soon. Hey, that is the one problem. If you think that we've put the low in, I would agree that is a big problem. Because if we look at, let's say, the Qs real quick, look at it on the daily, and let's look at the volume. Oh, we're going to zoom this up here a little bit. We don't really have the capitulation type of volume down here as we came up. That's one of the things that do have me a little bit concerned. You don't have red days anymore? Oh boy, you shouldn't have said that. Don't let the market hear you. The market be like, ha, let's go get them. Let's get them.
All right, I'm back.
And he's back.
Kentucky in the house. Oh, that's what we should do. Let's do a roll call, man. Where's everybody from? Or did you already do that?
I didn't do it.
I see North Carolina, Chicago, New Zealand,
That's what's cool about the internet. You get people from around the world.
Kentucky, Taiwan. Yeah, let's go.
Canada.
San Francisco.
Maui.
Yeah, buddy. Texas, Canada, Maui, Idaho, Joplin. Ooh, Joplin. I hope you weren't there when that big tornado. Ouch.
Suncoast, Florida. Nice.
Australia, New Mexico, Philippines. Look at this. Toronto,
Malaysia.
New York City, North Dakota, Louisiana, Florida. They got a lot of Florida in the house.
Florida.
Alabama, Minnesota, more North Carolina. Somebody's from the moon. Eric's from the moon.
The moon.
New Jersey, Portland, Malaysia, Nairobi. What? No way. Mother's basement. We got the ATL in the house. Brazil, New Zealand, Alaska. Jeez. Virgin Islands. Look at this, Mike. This is crazy.
I know. That's what's cool about the internet. You get people from, oh, we got Greenland.
Kansas, Greenland.
Uh-oh. Better watch
Uh-oh.
out. You better watch out. Hey, you're going to be the 51st state.
Right.
Uh-oh.
behind
Here's some
Canada.
buying. Uh-oh. They're calling my name. Oh, do I want to ruin a good night's sleep?
Upstate New York.
I'll probably have to take a swing at this here in a moment. Hey, so if we come over and look at the footprint chart, let me just zoom this out real quick. Look, here's what we talked about. Down here, we had the sellers at the bottom. We had stacked selling balances. We overtook it. We had the stacked buying balances. I said, watch out. Let's see if we can go towards that zone up there. And look, we're not that far away from it now. Now, I wish I would have taken it, which I did not. Long gold. See if it actually gets up there if we're going to go all the way back down. It's a good thing I didn't buy this yet. Look at that NASDAQ. I may buy it. I may buy it for a little pop or to give a donation back to the market. Long CL. I don't know if I want to go long CL after that large of a move up. I've already said there's plenty of oil. We have all of it.
Dude, I'm liking this. Bolivia. That's cool.
Yeah, crude oil had a $7 move. It is trying to go up here a little bit. What value
Doug-
do I get from what chart?
Yeah, I think he's talking about the footprints that you had over there for a moment.
I get a lot of value from it. So look, when I see the stacked, so the stacked imbalances are showing us aggression, either buy side or sell side. Dots on the left-hand side is aggression to the sell side. If you see them selling at the bottom of the candle and we come back up, well, guess what? Those sellers,
They're trapped.
yeah, they're trapped, and then there becomes pain. Then we get stacked buying balances right here, which showing aggression to the buy side. And then you usually will get a rip right on up. Now, I like it when I get the delta flip too. The delta is the numbers right below it, which right here we did not have the delta flip, but I'd like it even more if we had the delta flip. So we did not, unfortunately. Dang it, I think I missed my setup.
They're trying to buy it.
I was gonna buy it and there was EMAs and I jumped over on that chart. Still might. Yeah, so you really want to be looking at an area on the chart before you focus on the footprint chart. So you don't want to just say, oh, just stare at the footprint chart. You want to look support, resistance, low volume nodes, whatever you want to use, and then focus in on the footprint chart around those areas. I want to smack it. I'm about to smack it. I was that close. We come back in the EMAs again, I might hit it.
All right. Cephas is long gold from 45.30. I don't mess with gold no more.
Are we gonna make it down there, or should I go for the pop?
I had the biggest trade of my life was on gold. I was super pumped, and then the next night, biggest loss of my life on gold. I said I ain't playing gold no more.
Biggest loss of your life?
Well, trading wise.
How bad was that? Oh boy.
I don't
hit it off
remember.
these EMAs. I hit it off the EMAs. Hopefully it's gonna reward me.
Let's
not
go.
punish me.
I'm hearing sonar.
Is that good or bad?
That's the good one.
All right. Why is it going down?
I don't know. They tried. They couldn't do it.
Darn sonar. The thing that I'm having a hard time with, though, we have that minus development area down there. I still think there's a shot we're going down there.
Look at T Coop. Some jerk got you to play with GC. I think it was you, Cooper. It was you. I was loving it that first night. I was like, dude, why haven't I been trading gold forever? And then it's like the next day I lost it all. Like, ugh.
I'm going to close out the poll. So it looks like a majority of the chat believe we are going to be red tomorrow.
I voted green.
Did you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. I think as soon as Mike says he's going to start ending the stream is when the evening volume starts kicking in. And I think they're going to buy it all the way back up tonight.
Oh, man.
Just a theory.
I end the stream with just tank.
Yeah, could do that too.
I don't want to let this turn into a loss. I'll at least put my stop in the money. It's kind of feeling it's going to come down and stop me out, though. And then go up. I'm going to really be upset.
Raro asked, how much did you lose? I don't remember how much it was, Raro, but it was a lot of money on gold on GC. It was like easy come, easy go.
I'm just going to take it. I don't want to sit through a pullback. I don't want it to come down and stop me out for break even. I want to take it while I have it.
There you go.
So
that's the way to do it.
I should have closed it a little bit higher up. I was hoping to get a little bit more out of it. So oil's up $3.73 now. Let's go looky. I still think I think crude oil wants to roll back, but I could be wrong on it.
Coop, you got to stop recommending new things to trade.
Yeah, I'm not touching silver. I never have. I'm not doing it. So.
Repositioned 65.42 new target. 65.42. Where are we at? Hold on. We're at 65. Okay, so that's the low. Targeting the low.
I gotta get back down there. I'm not though. I'm done. So I'm gonna jump off, guys and gals. Uh-oh. John's asking a question, Jesse.
No. Spot gamma? No. Nope. I tried it for that first month and then I just couldn't bring myself to pay the full price renewal, so I didn't renew it.
He has a new toy.
I might jump back on it, but I'm using vol signals. I like their approach. It's a little different. I mean, they're all good. Mentor Q, I have that too. They all do their thing, right? But they each have their own niche, their unique take on gamma. And right now, vol signals is kind of speaking to me. I like their approach to it. So we'll see. I've got it for a month. I'll try it out. Can you explain vol signals? I'll tell you what. Rom, make sure you're subscribed. On the next stream, I'll pull it down onto the screen and I'll walk through the whole thing. I promise. But Mike's trying to go to bed.
You're trying to get me on stream tomorrow. So I'm not doing it.
It doesn't have to be tomorrow, but make sure you're subscribed. And I'm sure if it's not tomorrow, we'll be back, Sunday or Monday night.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But I'll show it off. I'm liking it. I'll explain exactly what their approach to gamma is because it's different than the others. It's different than Mentor Q and Spot Gamma.
Glad I got out.
Yeah, good thing you got out, dude. Hey, did you hit your target? No, ES is not down to the low yet.
It's going.
I'm rooting for you, Blaze. That was Blaze, right? Or Blasmir? I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm just going to call you Blaze. Is that cool?
So, all right, guys and gals, we are out of here as we're going to break the lows. So I'm going to go to bed. Hopefully I'll see you guys next week. If you guys want to join me tomorrow on the live stream, we are going to have another duck race tomorrow morning, give it away a Take Profit Trader account. So if you guys want to join me on the main channel, love to see you over there. Stream will be starting around 8 a.m. All right, guys, take care.